Hi everyone, welcome to Blackout Tinting Emergency Service Division. Hope you're having a great day. We're going to go through a quick walkthrough of what we got in the shop today. Right here we have a 2023 Tahoe SSV. That's actually the police edition of a Tahoe. We are upfitting this for the LATROBE School Resource Officer. Kind of doing a little bit of an undercover build. We have the interior light bar inside of the windshield. We have a 600 stick up here in the back. Lights up under here, so whenever he opens up the hatch, the stick shuts off and have some red and blues going to the back. This build's still in progress. We can go up to the front here real quick. We're in the middle of putting together our Gamber Johnson console in there. It's actually custom built for this vehicle, and it's a very deep console, which we like. You can fit a lot more stuff into it. These are two mega thins, both from Code 3. Of course, you see this one here is actually their clear version, and this one is the smoked. We ordered the smoked for the school resource officer, and I will show you why. You tell me, against the vehicle, which one would you choose? We're gonna choose the smoked, because whenever you pull away from the vehicle, it blends in very nicely. But we got more to come on this build, so stay tuned for that one. The other thing that, of course, is Chuck's best invention. Self-proclaimed, but Joe actually does kind of like it. All Phoenix sticks are programmed via data. Same data wires that operate in your car, the same type of data wires they use. But, of course, you either have to have your laptop with you, or you have to have a very, very, very long wire. And sometimes that wire just ain't long enough. So what we have here is 60 foot of wire that you can go anywhere with. And look, it just keeps on going and going. Another little trick of the trade. Also here at the shop today, we have this wonderful Jeep Wrangler, and the color, in case anybody's questioning, is Earl. And it is a cross between gray and turquoise, not gray and green, not gray and blue, gray and turquoise. As a favor to one of our good customers, we put on some side steps for them. Fully electric side steps. Whenever you open your door, they fold down, also give some lighting. When you shut the door, within 3 seconds, they rotate back up to get out of your way for whenever you're four-wheeling. We have Everson Fire Department from down in Fayette County. They bought this new UTV. It's still under work for them. They're gonna get a med bed in the back and a tank with a water pump. But we're doing some lighting. We're doing a 600 stick in the rear for them. Some Code 3 lights up here in the front. Gonna be red and whites. Code 3 mega thins in the front grille, just to give a little added lighting. We're gonna put Code 3 mega thins on the side for the side lighting. As you see, that's still in progress. Then we have Everson's trailer to haul their UTV. This is gonna be set up kind of like how we do all the other ones. In each top corner, we're gonna have a red warning light. Down here above the fender, we're gonna have a red warning light, just to give some side. It's all gonna be activated by a remote control from the trucks. It'll be on a key fob. They could just hit the key fob, turn on their lights, turn off the lights as they're going down the road. In the back, we're gonna have some more Code 3 mega thins on each corner in the back, give lighting towards the rear. We're also going to have 2 spotlights coming down, give some backlighting for whenever they're doing their nighttime operations. Just remember us anytime you have an upfit. Nothing's too big, nothing's too small. Just remember us. We'll get you in the shop, we'll get you out, and you'll be a happy customer when you leave. Have a good day.